Hello and everyone, tutorial number 27. In this tutorial I will discuss about drafted fillet pad command in CATIA. In a previous video 26 tutorial I have discussed about pad or extrude command. Now I am here in 27 video tutorial will discuss drafted and fillet pad command. So let's start the part. First choose the part. You can start from here, and or else you can go to file and open new and go select the part. Okay, mention the part name drafted, drafted, drafted fillet pad. Click OK. So now drafted fillet pad. Now I will sketch. So on the compass to rotate purpose. Then now you can choose the plane XY, select a sketch, zoom out. So now this is the sketch workstation. So I will choose the center rectangle, select the center rectangle and draw some like this. Then you can give a constraint to all, select the auto constraint. They will give the all the constraint, all the length of dimension, or else you can choose the one by one constraint. So you can give a dimension. I'll take it 50 mm. I have given the initially for this 50 mm in see, this is not fixed, so that is the region is moving down, is changing the position. So once you will fix the this sketch, so for the fixed purpose what you have to do, this is the fix constraint here, fixed together. So select this one, this one, this one and this one, click OK. So this is the fix, so it will not change. So now you can choose the auto constraint, click OK. So now this is the fix. So now you can give a constant value. I'll take 50 mm. So now it will not change the positions. This one I will take 20 mm. Okay, so length is 50 and height is 20. Now exit from a sketch. Now go to isometric view, go to pad command, click the pad. Now give it extrude or pad 10 mm. Go to preview, it will show your final um, product or part. To preview the part, so now you can see. Now click OK. So this is your part for extrude in pad command. Now I am going to use the drafted fillet pad command. So there is a two way to sketch on the surface. First way to sketch, select the sketch, select the surface, and directly you can sketch from here. So this is the first way I am going to start, and the second way how to sketch on the surface I will discuss in other side. So now this is the sketch view. Now I am going to sketch here. You can select center rectangle like this, exit from the sketch. Now there if you expand this pad command, so you will able to see here drafted fillet pad. If it is not able to see, then you can right click, then you can click from here, select, or else you can go to insert and you can find out. For insert, go to customize, tools and customize, and then you can go to toolbars and restore all the content and restore the position, so it will come. So now I am going to choose this drafted fillet pad, click the drafted fillet pad. Now I am giving 10 mm extrusion, but now there is a two option here. One is the selection and second is angle. So before going to selection, choose the limits, like which face you want to drag, which face you want to draft it. So I want to drafted this face. So select this face. So I have selected this face. Now it is asking to give a degree. So if you given in 5 degrees, so click preview. So it will look like. So if you give the 2 degree, click OK. So it will look like. So this is the drafted fillet pad command in CATIA. So this is the one way to sketch on the surface and do the drafted. So another way how it is, just rotate, click the rotate command and rotate like this. Now I am going to sketch this surface, or this surface. So I will click select this surface. Now go to sketch. Now I am going to sketch here. So in beginner video in 2D sketch, one thing I have last operations I have discussed to say in insert operation, till yet transformation I have completed in 2D sketch. So in the last one in 3D geometry, I said in last tutorial of through 2D sketch, I will discuss in 3D when you will go to the 3D modeling or 3D part. That time I will going to explain this 3D geometry. So now I am here to use this 3D geometry. So this 3D geometry, we have a projected 3D element, intersect 3D element, project 3D sorted edge, project 3D canonical sorted edge and isolate. So this project 3D elements means if you click this, so it will give you the edge. So you can select the edge, like which edge and which side you want to so this is the way to uh, all the part you can choose, then it will be a sketch directly here. So if you choose this, by default there is a mistake here. I think I will go to the another sketch, another side. So it's not catching because there is another sketch also is mixed match here. So I will select this face, go to sketch, exit from a sketch first. I will choose this face, select a sketch. Now you can go to isometric. Now there is an option here, insert and operations, 3D geometry. Select the 3D geometry. So if you select the 3D geometry, so you can sketch all the edge. So no need to use the line command, or no need to use to center rectangle to sketch here. Directly you can go to insert an operation and the 3D geometry and project a 3D element. So you select all the 4 edge, so automatically it will be a sketch on the surface, all the 4 edge. Now you can click OK. Now the sketch is completed here on the surface. I'll show you how. So just expand this pad. I'm going to hide this pad. So just pad 2. Now see, I have hide, so now I have complete this sketch here. So this is our rectangle. So while through I can use this sketch on the surface of anywhere. So this is the reference line, or you can say the reference geometry in another software, but in CATIA it is called 3D geometry. So now you can go to exit from the sketch. Now select the drafted fillet pad. Now there is asking how much length to you want extrude, and there is asking angle and selection. So select this face. So now it is asking angle, how much angle, 5 degree, and preview. Now you can see. Now you just rotate. So this is the another way to sketch here. So pad 3. So this is another way to use this drafted fillet pad command in CATIA. I will discuss one more example. So let uh, exit or else fit it. I will choose the XY plane, select a sketch, and I am going to choose this ellipse somewhere like this. Okay, exit from a sketch. Now use this pad command and 10 mm. Okay, now you can directly go to tools, sorry, insert, operation. Before that you need to go to a sketch first, select this one, face, and sketch and isometric. Now you go to insert and operation, 3D geometry, and you can project it from here, or else you can sketch on the surface. I'll select this face, all edge is selected, click OK. Now go to exit from the sketch, go to drafted fillet pad command. Now it is asking to select the face. I'll select this one, click preview. Now see, so this is the way to use this drafted fillet command in CATIA. So I hope you understand. I think this tutorial is enough to understanding of drafted fillet pad command. So I hope you understand this command. So in next video I will discuss with another examples of another tools command. Thank you for watching.